Hi, hello guys, it's me again, Maria, and today's tutorial for OBS is on how to put a timer on your live streaming. So let's jump into my computer so I can show you how to do it. All right, so now I'm here and I know you can see me, you can hear me. I'm going to reduce myself so I don't block the windows. Okay, I'm going here. So now we're going to start creating a timer before you go live, right? So people, while they're waiting, they know what time are you going live on your videos or on your live streams. Okay. Now, after you make a name for your countdown, we're going, guys, to your source again and click that plus sign so we can find the sources that we're going to show on our countdown. You can use an image, you can use a media source, but here I'm going to use the media source. So I want my video like kind of moving, or if you're a gamer, you can put games on there and then you put your timer and your text on top of it. So it's up to you. So I'm gonna use the media source and click OK, and then I'm going to browse my file. I'm going to my video folder, then I'm going to browse my background and click open, and you don't need to touch anything here, just click OK, and there you go. So that's my background. All right, so now guys, what we're going to do next is we're going to put a text on top of the background. So to do that, go to your sources and click this plus sign and click text, and then click OK. So now we're now on this window. Inside this box, we're going to type something like Maria is live in 1 minute, right? And then after that, hold on, we go to the select font. Okay, so after that we're going to select a font. So it's up to you guys. What font do you prefer? So I prefer Impact. All right, so for the size, just leave it on 256 or 256, because if you choose these numbers, less numbers, when you resize it, it's getting smaller. So you stick on 256 because we're going to resize it later. So when you're good with that, click OK, and then you can go down here and change the color if you want, but I'm gonna stick on a white so I can see later on. We can change it later. Then click OK, and the other one is you can customize your color, background, things like that. So you can play with it. So click OK, and I'm good with that. So now here you go. Here is your text. So to resize this, you can just, drag it like this and put it there, and wherever you want it to put, you can put in the middle. Okay, so if you want to change the font, you can just double click this text, and then it will go back to this window. All right, for the meantime, that's okay. So now we're going to put a timer. Okay, so go back to your sources, click this plus sign and click the text, and let's rename this a timer. All right, and click timer. Now there you go. So you set it in 1 minute, and like what I told you, you can choose your font, and okay, and then you can choose the color if you want to. All right, let's say blue. Okay, and then let's see how it looks like. There you go. So here you just drag it down here, and to resize that, okay, hold your alt key, hold it, press it, and while you're pressing it, you just move your cursor here. Okay, and then just resize it, put it here wherever you want it, put it. So now next, if you want to put a music to your background while your viewers are waiting, go to this sources, then click this plus sign and go to your media source. All right, so from there, let's rename it. Let's say music background, and click OK, and then it will pop up this window, and go to your browsers so you can select your music. Go to your music folder. Okay, then choose the music you want. let's see, for example, this one, and then click open, and there you go. It will open up here, and you don't need to, it's up to you, but I don't touch anything of this. Just click OK, and there you go. So it will pop up here under your audio mixer. So you will see I rename it so I can remember which one is it. So this is your music background. So let's try to test it if we can hear it. So to do that, because you see this red line, I think this is so loud, you adjust over here, maybe like yellow. Yes, I think that's fine, but you can play with it. We don't know, so just adjust a little bit, minus 30. All right, and if you want to check if you can hear that background music, just click this bracket. Okay, right click and go to your advanced audio properties. All right, from here you will see your audio monitoring is, your monitor is off. So that is for your audio here. Do not, it's okay. So we're going to our music background here, music background. From here, your monitor is off, so we're going to test it. Okay, click the monitor and output. It's loud, right? So I'm trying to pull this down again. Yeah, here, so you can play around with. There you go. Minus 15 or minus 10. Anyway, we're not talking anyway that time. So just here is the adjustment. You don't want to be so loud, right? So just play with it. All right, so that's how you can test if your music is uploading on your background. But we're going to take this monitor off again and then close. So from there, you already know that the music you upload is on your background preview for your live stream. So okay, after that, you're going to your tools again and click this advanced scene switcher, because after the countdown, you need to put a sequence of your, if you're doing tutorials or what else you want to show to your viewers, you have to set up here, but that's another tutorial next time.
So I hope this is helpful, and if you like my tutorial, please give me some like, give me some love, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for my future tutorial. Thank you so much for joining, and see you next time. Bye.